Let me introduce you all to the best matcha sugar cookies. They're vegan, easy to make, and come out this magical green color. You start by creaming cold vegan butter and sugar in your stand mixer. Then you mix in your vegan flax egg replacement and a little vanilla extract. Next, mix in all-purpose flour, matcha, baking soda, and salt. You want the dough to be firm but not too dry. Let that chill while you preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Next, scoop out your cookie dough into balls and roll them into some more sugar to get that extra crunch. Place them onto your favorite baking sheet and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until they are perfectly soft, gooey, and slightly underbaked. These cookies come out sweet, a little earthy, and that matcha flavor really shines through. To find out how we made the flax egg replacement and more recipes just like this, visit blog.mountainroseherbs.com.